Today, we are located in one of the most exclusive areas of Marbella East. We are in urbanization El Arenal in Costabella. Here, we have a townhouse composed of 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. It has a lot of different terraces. We have a little barbecue area and its own private garage. This property we have here, it's oriented southeast-south, so we'll have a lot of morning and afternoon sun to enjoy all Costa del Sol. Also, you will be just a couple of minutes walking from the sea. So, come with us and let us introduce you to this property.